you don't understand it, take the time to do research, but don't let people feel you are still a child and they needed to take care of you. And that is not the right energy and the right look for you. Respectful. Not only respectful to the ballet masters, ballet mistresses, and your directors. That goes without saying, but they have to be respectful to everybody. Having done these two things, courteous, respectful, then goes confidence. Confidence. So keep in mind that you are in a professional ballet company and how you present yourself, that it has to have the energy and the presentation of somebody that the company can count on, artistically and professionally, right? So you have to be confident. You are no longer a student. You are a member of a professional company, so therefore certain things are expected. Not only in your body language and also in your verbal communication with people. People ask you a question, probably there will be tons of paperwork to fill out. Ask question if you don't understand, but don't act like a student anymore. Yeah? You are a part of the workforce now. People want you to fill out a form, a tax form perhaps. If you don't understand it, do your research, ask your parents, but don't act like somebody, a child in the office. Have never seen paper like this. Even if you don't understand it, take the time to do research, but don't let people feel you are still a child and they needed to take care of you. And that is not the right energy and the right look for you, okay? Because it will reflect on the artistic decision they make. They hired a fully mature artist. They didn't hire a little student. Yeah, so make sure that all handled with professional thinking and approach. Not only in your daily rehearsals classroom, but away from the classroom, in people's offices, in the hallway, that your communication with the staff, other than your artistic staff, it also has to be professional and with the confidence. And you have the world knowledge as a person. You don't want to give out an energy of this child, this student only knows to do battement tendus, but doesn't know anything else. And that's not what it should happen, okay?